If you're just beginning your health journey or feeling unsure about where to start, the Jumpstart Kit is a great first step. This kit is designed to restore your body's energy, nourish your cells, and gently open your drainage pathways so your system can function more efficiently. It's especially helpful for anyone feeling foggy, fatigued, or out of balance. I love this kit because it meets the body where it's at and lays the groundwork for real sustainable progress. So many of my clients come in feeling depleted or reactive, and trying to jump into a full detox too soon can make them feel worse. In our practice, I've seen this kit help clients feel clear, more energized, and better equipped to handle the next steps in their healing. If you've been feeling tired, inflamed, or just off, this is a gentle, smart way to begin supporting your body from the inside out. And if you're still unsure if this is the right starting point for you, book a free 15-minute consult and we'll walk you through your symptoms and your healing goals to figure out the best fit for you.